Did you know that Saw Palmetto provides health benefits for both men and women? Watch the video all the way through to learn more. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Imagine a small palm tree growing in the southeastern United States, holding within its berries a powerful secret that has been used for centuries. This remarkable plant is Saw Palmetto, a natural remedy known for its potential to improve prostate health, balance hormones, and even combat hair loss. But what exactly makes this plant so special? Let's explore the fascinating health benefits of Saw Palmetto and why it's become one of the most sought-after natural supplements today. Saw Palmetto is best known for its ability to support prostate health, particularly in men over the age of 50. Studies show that it may help alleviate symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition that causes an enlarged prostate, leading to frequent urination, weak urine flow, and discomfort. Here's how it works. Saw Palmetto inhibits the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a hormone linked to prostate enlargement. By reducing DHT levels, it helps shrink the prostate and improve urinary function. A review of multiple clinical trials found that Saw Palmetto can significantly reduce nighttime urination, nocturia, and improve overall urinary flow. Saw Palmetto is often used as a natural testosterone booster, benefiting both men and women. It helps maintain healthy testosterone levels by blocking DHT, preventing hormonal imbalances that can lead to fatigue, muscle loss, and low libido. Balanced testosterone levels support muscle growth, energy, and reproductive health for men. For women, Saw Palmetto may help regulate androgen levels, which can be beneficial for conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and hormonal acne. Hair loss is often linked to DHT-related damage to hair follicles, leading to male and female pattern baldness. Since Saw Palmetto reduces DHT production, it is widely used in natural hair restoration treatments. By preventing DHT from binding to hair follicles, Saw Palmetto can slow down hair thinning, promote stronger hair growth, and even revitalize dormant follicles. A study found that men who took Saw Palmetto extract for 6 months saw an increase in hair density and thickness. Chronic inflammation is linked to several health issues, including prostate conditions, joint pain, and heart disease. Saw Palmetto contains powerful anti-inflammatory flavonoids and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and support immune function. It lowers inflammation markers in the body, protecting against oxidative stress and cellular damage. In traditional medicine, Saw Palmetto was used as a natural aphrodisiac, enhancing sexual vitality and performance. Since it supports hormonal balance, it may help with erectile function, stamina, and libido in men. Helps improve testosterone levels, supporting reproductive health. For women, may help balance hormones related to sexual wellness. Some studies suggest that Saw Palmetto extract can improve libido and sexual performance in men experiencing age-related testosterone decline. If you're enjoying this content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Leave a comment and help us reach as many people as possible. Saw Palmetto berries contain a variety of bioactive compounds, including fatty acids, like lauric acid, oleic acid, and myristic acid. Phytosterols, such as beta-sitosterol, which supports prostate health. Flavonoids, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Polysaccharides, which may support immune function. The typical daily dosage of Saw Palmetto extract varies depending on the form. Standardized extract, 85 to 95% fatty acids and sterols 160 to 320 mg per day, commonly divided into 2 doses of 160 mg. Whole dried berries, 1 to 2 grams per day, usually taken as tea or powder. Liquid extract/tincture, 1 to 2 milliliters per day, consult product-specific instruction. For prostate health and urinary function, 320 mg per day is the most studied dose. For hair loss and hormonal balance, 200 to 320 mg per day is commonly used. Best taken with food to enhance absorption. Some commonly reported side effects includes headaches, dizziness, nausea, constipation. While saw palmetto is not typically consumed as a food, its extracts are rich in these nutrients, making it a popular supplement for hormonal balance, prostate health, and hair growth. Certain individuals should avoid or use saw palmetto with caution. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to avoid saw palmetto since it can affect hormone levels. People taking blood thinners or scheduled for surgery should also steer clear, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. If you have hormone-sensitive conditions, like prostate cancer or certain breast cancers, it's a good idea to check with your doctor first. And of course, if you're allergic to saw palmetto or similar plants, you'll want to stay away from it altogether. Saw palmetto is more than just a plant, it's a natural powerhouse for prostate health, hormone balance, hair growth, inflammation relief, and sexual wellness. Whether you're looking to support your urinary system, prevent hair loss, or improve overall vitality, this ancient remedy might be the solution you need. Before adding saw palmetto to your routine, consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're taking medications or have underlying health conditions. Nature holds the key to wellness. Sometimes, all it takes is the right plant to unlock it. That wraps it up for today. Thank you for watching.